Okay, I'm going to do some bird subjects AI detection testing with my fake kingfisher. So I'm going to turn the camera on. We're up and running. Here we are on the LCD. It's doing the bird detection, and the focus points are all focus points, and I've got a 2-second delay on the electronic shutter. So I'm going to take shots. It's detecting the eye, I think. Can see the green thing there. Going to take the shot. See the eye detection. It's taken the shots. I'll review the shots. Zoom it in. Looks quite sharp to me. It's hard to tell on the mobile phone video. So let's take another shot. 2-second delay. Let's review that one. Sorry, the mobile phone doesn't. And that looks out of focus. Try again. Take another shot. It's not working great on this phone video. But zoom that in. That looks out of focus again. But if I switch the camera off, on, take another shot, 2-second delay, view my photo, looks pretty sharp to me. Do it again. Zoom in. Nah, that's not in focus. So how about I change to continuous autofocus, which is just changing my switch there. So you can see I've got the CAF. See the focus points lighting up. 2-second delay. Zoom that in. Looks pretty sharp. Try it again. Looks pretty sharp to me. Yeah, I think that's fine. So what is going on here? It looks like I have the same problem as Paul has.